This part is different types of IPL Beauty Machine handle. And there are different types of handpiece, and this one is like the handle with different filters. That means for one machine, you just only got one handle, but you have different filters, and you can change the filters for your needs based on one handle. And with this way, you spend less money, but you got more functions. This is popular because of this. The third photo, and this is for BPL, also for some IPL, the fixed handle also use this one. The last one is also fixed handle. Fixed handle, it means for each handle, it has only one filter. And if you want to change another filter, you need to change the complete handle. So because of this, and the cost is much higher than the other one, but there are advantages. The advantage is for the lifespan of the changeable filter model, and the life of the handle is less than the other one. And the fixed handle, it depends on the operator. If your clinic has more clients for only hair removal, it's not necessary to have the changeable filter handle. You just got one machine with a handle for hair removal. That's enough. And actually, for one standard IPL, normally the supplier will give two handpieces. One is for skin rejuvenation, one is for hair removal. So with the skin rejuvenation one, you can do most of the treatment for skin rejuvenation, skin problems, spots removal, like that. The other one is for different types of hair removal. And with two handles, almost can do most of the treatment. But for some specific doctors, and those doctors has very high requirements on the specific wavelength they are using, so they prefer to have one handle with more filters because they have customers with different necessities. With that one, not only hair removal, but also acne, vascular spots removal, and many different treatments, you need to have this one handle with changeable filters. You also can get this one, the fixed handle, but you need to have more than one handle installed. But both are very mature technology, so no problem for the quality itself. Depends on the different necessity of the operator.